Hello guys, my name is Umar Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having the further delay. So this video is about the routine of 16th April 2024 of day 193. Okay, so we are about to reach the goal of 200. We left only 7 days only. Okay, that's incredible, guys. Okay, so basically today this something happened which will I tell you in this routine video. So basically last night I went for this sleep very late because I've already told you in the yesterday's routine video that is I watched the movie that is of the pursuit of happiness. So because of that movie I went for this sleep that is very late. That's why today I woke up at around basically 8 or 8:30. Okay, so today I have to go to my tuition where I used to go in my 12th class. Okay, so basically the teacher will take the career counseling classes because the student of their tuition already told about that. So today's 11 a.m. Sunday there was planned happened. Okay, so that's why uh, I went there. Okay, so basically first I woke up. Okay, after that I situated all the clothes. After that I washed my mouth. After that I taken the bath. After that I worshipped it in a very proper manner. Okay, after that I didn't eat the food. I just ready and I washed my slippers, and after that I wore the clothes and I ironed the clothes. Okay, as well. After that I was totally ready, and after that I went to the tuition. Okay, but if I tell you seriously, guys, after going to the there, that was not enough beneficial to go there. Okay, so if I tell you seriously, this was not too much beneficial. They didn't told me about too many things. Okay, he only told about the that is okay, not too much enough about that. Okay, he just only filled the form and wasted lots of time. That's all the thing. But we can't say wasted of the lots of time. But he's just trying to help us. That's it. Okay, I appreciate it. We can't tell that waste of time. He's just trying to appreciate us. But the I just only want to add the one mistake of him, that is he didn't take seriously of the career counseling classes. That's it. So basically this is a thing which was happened today, and after that I came home. After that my mother was really surprised to see me. After that I drink water, cold water, chilled water I drank, and I was totally feeling very tired on that time, and I was very hungry. So after that my mother also eating, so after that I joined my mother for eating. So I ate today on the time lentils, rice, and potato chutney. I don't know what we call chutney in English. So yeah, okay, so I ate that. uh, and also fried chola. Okay, I ate that. Okay, so after that I didn't do too much thing. After that I talked to my mother. Okay, after that I went to the first floor through my phone. After that my mother called me to put her clothes to the ground floor. And after that because I think she wanted to take bath. Okay, so after that again after some time again my mother called me, and she gave me 1 cup of milk to drink. Okay, so after that I didn't do much thing, and I had done today one thing, that basically a new game came, that is the name of Kamala. So today I have downloaded the Kamala game to my sister's laptop without taking permission of her, and I really apologize to her. Okay, so but I didn't play it still yet. I just downloaded that Kamala game. Okay, so basically I didn't do too much thing through the whole day, and after that I used my phone, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, I didn't do too much thing. Basically I went to the first floor to ground floor to first floor. This is the just routine that happened. Okay, so after that at the evening I clicked my photos with my family. Okay, after that me with the help of my father filled the cooler, and that's what the thing which was happened. Okay, so after that at the evening I ate semia plus chapati. Okay, I don't know what we call semia in English, but okay, I'll translate very soon. Yeah, this is the thing which was happened. And after that I went to the first floor. After that I went to the ground floor. After that I went to the first floor, and after that I'm shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like the videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. Okay, so let's start today's 5 words routine, daily learning 5 words. Okay, so this is my promise to you. From the first to the bottom I will revise the vocabulary all. Okay, so our first is fate. Fate, guys, means FAT, fate. That means bhagya. Your fate is really very good. Your fate is really very good. I appreciate it. You didn't do hard work, but your fate is really good. That's why you achieve too much success. Okay, so the second word is condition. That means halat. On the time our condition is not good enough. That's why I couldn't reach there. Okay, the condition of mine right now is not enough good. But nowadays I am feeling good, and nowadays I feel that my condition is quite good from before. Okay, so our third word is hope. Hope means umeed, guys. Basically, I have very hope to you. I have very hope to you that I thought that you really helped me, but you broke my hope. Our fourth word is confusion, dilemma, ulchan. Okay, so I'm very confused about this thing. That's why I really nowadays I feels very tensed. This, yeah, that's all the things. Our first 1, 2, 3, 4, and last word is proper. There should be a proper man who can anchor this show. There should be a proper situation on the time. So basically, this is 5 words which we have learned today. Okay, but tomorrow I will revise from top to the bottom all the vocabulary. Okay, so let's start some vocabulary. We have done already the vocabulary. Let's start some accounting topics. Okay, so yeah. So basically, guys, today I'm going to discuss about the fixed capital account system and fluctuating capital account system. Basically, in fixed capital accounting system, we made 2 accounts. That is, first is capital account fixed. First is capital account fixed, and second is partner's current account. Okay, and the second we made the fluctuating capital account. Okay, so basically this is the thing which we done. Okay, so in इस अकाउंट की मदद से ओपनिंग कैपिटल निकालना है हमेशा, तो इसे याद करना है जब कैपिटल फिक्स्ड आए तो तभी ही ये लाना है। इस अकाउंट की मदद से ओपनिंग कैपिटल निकालना है हमेशा, तो इसे याद करना है जब कैपिटल फ्लक्चुएटिंग का आए तो वो करना। So basically, guys, this is a thing which we are in fixed capital we made 2 accounts, in fluctuating capital we made only 1 account. Okay, and yeah, in fluctuating capital means that, guys, we made transaction okay, at a very in a one way, in one bank. You can suppose that in there is one account we made transaction. Okay, in in fixed capital system we made 2 accounts, one account for not too much transaction, second account for the account transaction for many times. Okay, so yeah. So basically, guys, so basically I just only the last topic is I just only want to tell you that IOD, how we calculate, what's the formula of interest on drawing. Total product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. Okay, it's literally 1 by 12. Okay, the first is no, I don't think that the interest on drawing formula like that. Time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing divided by 2. Basically, guys, the thing is that I didn't practice nowadays the practical subjects, so that's why I wanted to do practical subjects, okay, as well. So basically I have to do something for this. So basically, guys, this is a thing which was happened today. Okay, so but we have completed only the 8 minutes 46 seconds, so we need to complete the 10 minutes. Okay, so basically, guys, this is a thing which was happened. So my next day's routine target is I will complete all the vocabulary, and tomorrow I will complete the continuously accounting chapter. I will tomorrow I will complete mainly 25% of this partnership chapter. Okay, so basically this is my target, and basically, guys, nowadays I will take something big decision. Okay, and really I will take very big decision nowadays, and you please believe me, that's all the things which was happened. So I think that's enough for today. And you are noticing that what's the wire where is coming from here. Basically it is the new cooler's wire. Okay, but the the wind is going from this side, and that's why I'm feeling very sweating. Okay, the viewers looking at me that I am sweating. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened. I hope you really understand clear. And one thing, if I had done any kind of mistake in the speaking, then you kindly please tell me in the comment section so that I can improve my English speaking skills, and I appreciate you that you are trying to help me. So let's I think it's enough for today, so let's end the video guys. Sri Radhe, bye bye.